Magandang hapon po, no, sa ayan. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga master win natin. And medyo may napoboses ko, no. And yan. Medyo maulan din dito sa location. And magandang hapon. And on this tutorial, tuturo ko po sa inyo, no, kung paano po install yung A Blind Legend na laro gamit yung Lucky Patcher. So ayan, so ulitin, no, dito ko na lang po to gagawin sa channel ni Master B nung tutorial na to. And sa lahat nga po pala ng gustong makakuha ng A Blind Legend na walang cheat, yung XPK version nito, yung XPK file, which means hindi na po talaga yun gumagana sa mga Android 10 pataas. Ayan, pero yun nga, ang gagamitin natin ngayong applications is Blind Legend, which means yung XPK file tsaka yung Lucky Patcher. Ayan. Actually marami na akong nasubukang yung mga XPK installer like yung Sai, and para ma-install to, pero hindi nag-success. So Lucky Patcher talaga yung nakagawa neto, and gusto ko tong i-share. And paalala lang po, wala pong cheat to, tong installation process na to, wala po tong cheat na gagawin, wala po tayong cheat. Ayan, and credits din, no, sa mga kuya natin na tumulong din sa akin na ma-discover tong na to, tong method na to, kay sa mga kuya natin sa Blind Techno. Ayan, credits. And so pasensya na kayo sa location ko, medyo maingay din and medyo maingay yung boses ko, pero let's start mga ka-Master Ruby. Simulan na natin. So ayan, andito na ngayon, na-download ko na, no, nakakuha ko na yung mga file na kailanganan natin, yung Lucky Patcher tsaka yung A Blind Legend na XPK file. Okay, so ang gawin natin, uunahin muna natin i-install yung Lucky Patcher. Punta lang tayo sa file manager natin, and kanya-kanya tayo ng file manager. And dito kasi nilagay sa Telegram folder. Ayan, naka-upload na rin to, naka-upload na to. Actually matagal na itong naka-upload sa channel ko, hinahanap ko lang. Ayan, na natin Lucky Patcher. Ayan, kahit anong version ng Lucky Patcher yan, basta latest. Ayan, install natin. Install natin. Ayan, tayo natin na matapos. Boss na natin yung accessibility volume natin. Wait lang. Ayan, install na. Open lang natin. Ayan. Naglo-loading pa yan mga Master B. Antayin lang natin, no. Ayan, provide natin yung permissions, no. Ayan, so dito sa location, delikado to, huwag natin itong i-allow kasi alam naman natin yung mga functions ng Lucky Patcher. Okay, don't allow lang natin. Allow lang natin to. Allow all wide access on. Baka natin. Ayan, don't show na natin. Click natin tong no, kasi pag niyas niyan, ang mangyayari on nyo yung play protect. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin dito, install lang natin to. Ito may patch update. May update. Yung server na ito, yung proxy server. Update nyo lang to. Ayan. Updated naman to eh, pero kailangan talaga na i-update nyo yan kasi nag-iiba kasi yung proxy ano nyo yung server. Install. Click nyo lang itong settings. On. Update lang natin. Medyo marami namang process itong gagawin natin. Pero ano yan guys eh, kasama yan kasi ano natin. Maliban kasi sa yung function ng Lucky Patcher pang remove ng ads, marami pa tong function. Ayan. Open lang natin to. Kapag lumabas to, I don't allow nyo lang. Tapos ito, since natapos na natin i-update, natapos na natin i-install yung Lucky Patcher, so tapos na tayo dyan sa Lucky Patcher. Ang gagawin naman natin, i-click natin itong rebuild and install. Ayan, tapos may lalabas na location/storage. Click nyo lang itong S-card and SD card. Update. Ayun sa server talaga yan. No lang muna. Para bilis tayo. S-card and punta nyo yan. Tapos and may mga folder dito. Click nyo lang itong download. Ayan. Telegram. Ayan. Pasokin nyo yan. Ayan. Ito yung hanapin nyo. Okay. Actually dyan, nagdidepende yan kung saan nilagay na doon kung saan siya nilagay pero sa akin kasi sa Telegram ko sa kinuha since meron na ako nito dati. And ayun, sa hindi po nakakaalam, ginawan ko na ito ng voice tutorial dati sa Messenger group. Kaso nga lang, hindi ata nila nagagets. Ayan na. Kung paano ito gawin. So, ayan. Yun nga, ulitin lang natin no, summary. Balik ulit tayo. Una natin ginawa, no, syempre, maliban sa download natin yung mga files, yung Blind Legend, yung Lucky Patcher. In-install natin yung Lucky Patcher, inallow natin yung permissions, pero sabi ko nga, wag nyo i-allow yung about sa location. Okay. Ang next ay i-update nyo lang kung merong update na available. Actually, may update pa to ngayon, pero hindi ko man siya in-update para mas mabilis tayo. So, nire-install ko kasi to. Ayan. So, after nyan, yung procedure, once na na-open nyo yung Lucky Patcher, na-install nyo yung update, allow nyo lang yung permission ng install unknown apps. Ayan. Ayan nga, allow nyo lang yung mga permissions granted. Yung makina kailangan permission except lang sa location. And ang next natin gagawin after ma-install yung update ng Lucky Patcher, which means dalawang update dapat to pero hindi ko na in-update ulit. Ang next naman ay click nyo yung rebuild and install. Ayan. Pagka-click nyo ng rebuild and install, i-click nyo yung S-card. Yung S-card. Ayan. Tapos may download folder doon. Hanapin nyo lang kung saan nyo nilocate yung mismong file ng Blind Legend. Actually, hindi lang sa Blind Legend to pwede gawin guys. Kahit sa ibang applications, kung may mga conflict kayo sa ibang APK file, kung hindi nyo siya ma-install gamit yung SAI installer, yung SAI split installer, gamitin nyo yung Lucky Patcher para ma-install nyo siya. Ayan, sorry, medyo maingay location ko dito. Ayan. So, click na natin tong Blind Legend. Ayan, click na natin. Ito, pagka-click nyo na, install. Ayan, makikita ko yung rebuild. Hindi ko na i-discuss kung ano yung rebuild kasi ang focus natin dito is kung paano ito i-install. I-install natin. Yes. Yes nyo lang. Install. Ayan. Paprocess pa yan. And then, tip ko rin pala guys, no, kung naka-G-Show kayo, ilagay niyo siya sa gaming mode settings app ninyo, yung Blind Legend. And tuturo ko rin kung paano na malalagay. Kasi sa akin, nakalagay na to eh. Ginawa ko na reinstall ko lang. Finish successfully. So, ang gawin niya lang, okay lang natin to kasi hindi natin ito ilalunch. Okay. Turo ko na kung paano niya siya mailagay sa gaming mode app ninyo. Ang mga kagandahan kasi dito guys sa G-Show, no, kasi kung may mga games kayo na halimbawa audio archery, ano pa bang mga games na pwede ilagay sa gaming mode, Legend of the Kings, inilalagay namin na sa gaming mode. Instead na mag-exit pa kayo ng screen reader ninyo, once na-click na yung game, yung screen reader na mismo yung kusang mag-exit sa sarili niya, and babalik lang siya kapag in-exit mo yung game. So, paano nga ba magagawa yan? So, puntahan mo na yung G-Show settings ninyo. Ayan. Sorry, medyo maingay ako ko dito. Ayan, back lang natin to. Kasi yung modified na G-Show gamit ko ngayon. Pasokin nyo lang tong operation settings. Ayan. Pagpasok nyo sa operation settings, hanapin nyo yung gaming mode settings. Ayan. Tapos may mga options dito, dapat naka-check ko lahat. Ayan, check nyo yung dalawang yan. Tapos dito sa gaming mode apps, ayan, naka-add na dito yung Blind Legend sa akin. So, ganyan lang siya. I-check nyo lang yung app, yung mga games na gusto nyo i-add dito. Ayan, okay na yan. So, ngayon, papakita ko na ito na yung pinaka-exciting part, no? Ipapakita ko na gumagana nga to. Ayan. Ito na. Click na natin to. Let's go. Ayan, may sa una dyan, no, since mga Android 11 pataas na tayo, ako Android 14 na. Nalabas tong dialog na to. Ito, kapag lumabas to, okay na lang. Ayan, okay nyo lang. Tapos ito, i-allow nyo lang to. Ayan, nag-gaming mode na siya. Antayin lang natin na mag-loading guys. Tingnan natin siya. Konting antay lang. Ayan.
A Blind Legend is an audio game.
Ayan, oh.
Make sure you have properly equipped your headset. Double
Ayan.
tap on the screen to continue.
Tip ko lang din sa inyo, no, guys, kung naka-dual
A Blind
speaker
Legend
kayo.
is an audio game.
Ayan.
Make sure
Kung
you have
naka-stereo
properly
naman yung
equipped your
phone ninyo,
headset. Double tap on the
ayan,
screen
kung
to
naka-stereo naman
continue.
yung phone ninyo, hindi nyo na kailangan siyang maglagay ng headset kung naka-dual stereo naman yung, or naka-dual speaker
Make
naman yung
sure you
phone
have
ninyo.
properly equipped your headset.
So, game
Double
lang
tap
tayo
on the
saglit.
You should hear this voice on the left.
Ayan.
Double tap on the screen to continue.
Tap na natin.
English. Double tap on the screen to select this language.
Ayan. Tingnan natin, ha. Laro tayo saglit.
Domino.
Ito.
France Culture. Supported by the Center National du Cinéma.
Double tap nyo lang ulit. Ayan. Para mas mabilis.
Loading. Welcome to
Ito.
A Blind Legend. To select an element,
Teka lang.
double tap on the screen. To return to the previous elements, Slide your finger upwards. To go back to the main menu from the game, slide 2 fingers quickly to the right.
Dito ka lang
You cannot go back to the main menu during a fight. Main menu, quit. Sign up to the new credits. Buy lives. My remaining one.
Walang cheat to
settings.
guys walang cheat to. Ito, puntat mo natin sa settings.
Main volume. Deactivate vibrations. Deactivate screen display.
Ayan,
Activate screen display.
tanggalin ko lang to.
Main volume.
Ayan,
Activate screen display.
okay.
Main volume. Deactivate vibrations. Deactivate vibrations.
Okay, so, ayan.
Deactivate vibrations.
Paano ko ba ito
Main
ikot? Wait
volume.
lang, ayan. Teka lang.
Deactivate vibrations.
Exit ko muna to. Nakalimutan ko na kung paano ikot. Wait lang. Sorry.
Main volume.
Ay,
Activate screen display.
na lang.
Main volume.
Okay, teka lang.
Settings.
Ayan, okay na. Sorry. Swipe up with one finger pala kapag, ano.
Do you really want to quit a blind legend?
Okay, sige, quit muna natin, teka lang. Ito. So, ulitin natin na, teka lang. Loko. Loko na tayo eh. Teka lang. Teka. Tala, wait lang. Restart lang natin yung usual natin. Ayan.
Snap 2. Facebook. Skip. Confident. Apps. One UI home. Google Discover. App screen page 1. Page 2 free. Page 3 free. Abide Legend. Wikipedia. Abide Legend.
Ayan, laro na tayo.
Enter gaming mode.
Sorry, medyo nagkakaroon na ng konting variant dito na loko. Ayan. Tsaka maingay-ingay din kasi location ko guys, sorry. Pero ito na. Double tap na kagad natin.
Do we know? Loading.
Ito. Laro na kagad tayo.
Welcome to A Blind Legend. Main menu. Select your difficulty mode. Hardcore. Normal.
Normal lang tayo, ayan. Quick play lang tayo
Loading.
Ayan. Good na.
This way, Father.
You embody Edward Blake, the famous blind knight, and you will be guided by your daughter Louise. To move forwards, put your finger on the screen, then slide it slowly upwards. You will keep moving as long as you keep your finger on the screen. Now it's your turn. Perfect. You know how to move forward. You can increase your speed by sliding your finger further on the screen. Now it's time to play. To move backwards, put your finger on the screen, then slide it slowly downwards. You will keep moving as long as you keep your finger on the screen. Now it's time to play. Perfect. You know how to move backward. To turn round, put your finger on the screen and slide
Okay.
it right or left.
Follow na
You will
mga
keep
instructions.
turning as long as you keep your finger on the screen. Now it's your turn. To turn round. Good. By turning it like this, you can change direction while moving, guided by the sounds you hear. Whenever you need Louise, to tell you how to reach her, tap once on the screen. Now it's time to play.
Over here. On your left.
When you reach your daughter, she will tell you, and set off for your next destination. Now it's your turn.
Come, Father. Let's go and join Mother at the village square. This way. Over to the left. Over here. Straight ahead. Let's go. Let's go. This way, Father. Turn left.
Whenever you hear this sound, an important scene is imminent.
What's that?
The king's done.
Take her!
Don't touch me. Let me go.
Caroline! Where is the cripple?
I don't know.
In the name of Thor, speak or I'll cut you open!
Please, I beg of you.
Find Blake!
Lord Blake, they are looking for you. You cannot stay here. You must hide. Miss Louise, take your father to the courtyard.
Ayoko, wait lang.
There are too many of them, Father. Come.
Whenever you hear this sound, it's your turn to play.
Go. Over here. On your left. Straight ahead. Let's go. Let's go.
Sir, we've got Blake's wife. Perfect. Lord Stilton.
Bill, release me or he'll kill you.
Silence.
Let's go. I'm a crippled boss. We'll get him later. The king is awaiting his prisoner. Come on.
No!
Dogs, I'll cut your throats one by one.
Ayan.
Loading.
Tara no. So, wait play lang tayo guys. Libang-libang rin.
Sir Blake, my father has finished your sword. It's at the forge.
You're close. Let's go. Let's go.
Kunin natin yung espada na. Ayan.
Your sword, Lord Blake. May she protect you from this mad king.
To draw out or put away your sword, double tap on the screen. You can't move with your sword in your hand. Your heartbeat reflects your health. The more you get hit, the faster it gets. Once the action is finished, Blake automatically puts away his sword.
The soldiers, they're coming back.
Flee, my lord, and stay off the roads.
Thank you. Get your things, Louise. We're going to free your mother.
Loading.
Tara lang.
Where are we going, Father?
We must cross the plain to reach the forest and enter into Thork's kingdom. Hurry up! The storm is close.
Let's go. It's straight ahead. Let's go. Let's go. Straight ahead. The path is thick with thorns.
Stand back.
To draw out or put away your sword, double tap on the screen. To slice through an obstacle in front of you, slide your finger quickly upwards.
That's better, Father. The path is cleared. This way.
We need a shelter. Can you see anything?
There, on the right, a cave. On your left. Now, come closer to me. Let's go. Let's go. Over to the
assault aggressively, quickly slide your finger in his direction to strike him.
Pitch lang natin
Do
para
not
malaman
strike
natin.
too soon or too late. Wait for the right moment.
I think dito siya sa kaliwa natin. Hindi nila ako matatamaan kasi naka-punch. Dito siya sa harap natin. Wait lang. Kuha tayo ng timing para tamaan siya. Wait lang. Makakatulong din to guys para at least kung hindi kayo mabawasan ng hindi kayo mabawasan ng may nagiging aggressive na yung kalimawit na timingin natin ha. I think dito siya
To block with your shield, pinch
Ayan,
the
oh.
screen. You will remain protected as long as your fingers pinch the
ipipinch niyo
screen.
yung screen niyo para maging
While you're
protected kayo.
protected, analyze the enemy's behavior to hit him at the right moment.
Para di kayo matamaan in case ito yun o, hindi tayo natatamaan kasi dito siya sa kaliwa ko. Ito saktayin natin. Although madali lang naman patayin to, pero gaming tip na yun din. Pinch nyo lang yung niya para maging protected kayo. Ayan, patay na.
Father, are you injured?
No. It's all right. We must sleep
Hindi
now.
pa tayo nababawasan ng
We have a long journey
Actually, kung
ahead of us.
wala kayong cheat.
Loading.
Hindi, yan, unlimited life yan. Pero,
Let's go, Louise. Can you see the forest in the distance?
Yes, Father. It's this way. Follow me. It's straight ahead. It's straight ahead. Straight ahead. Let's go.
More fucking soldiers.
We must hide. There, behind the waterfall. Follow. Go on. Get close. On your right. Turn right. Over here.
yun, maging, protektahan lang natin sa sarili natin, subukan natin. Subukan natin. Tingnan natin pag umabot yung mga yan.
Go on. Get closer. Over here.
Diyan. Wait, patay tayo. So yun lang. Kalokohan. So yun lang guys. At least quick lang tayo.
4 lives left.
Ayan o.
Next life in less than 20 minutes. Loading.
Let's go, Louise. Can you see the forest in the distance?
Yes, Father.
Punta na
It's
kaagad
this
tayo
way.
dito sa-
Follow me. Straight ahead. Let's go.
More fucking soldiers.
We must hide. There, behind the waterfall. Follow me, Father. More to the right. Go on. Get closer. Turn right. Behind you. More to the right. Go on. Get closer. On your right. Over here.
Patay.
This way.
Okay, sige nga. Tignan natin to.
Father!
Tignan natin to. Wait lang. Okay. So, ayan. Wait lang. So, ayan guys, no. Ayan nga. No, maraming salamat sa, magsubaybay dito. Ayan. At least, turuan ko kayo kung paano yan i-install. Ayan. Turuan ko kayo kung paano ito i-install. Ayan. So,
3 lives left. Next life in less than 20 minutes.
Side button settings. Lock mode button.
Loading.
Emergency call button. Restart button.
so, ito na,
Let's go, Louise.
kaya ko lang
Can you see the
din,
forest in the distance?
hindi rin kasi lahat ng Android is tawag na ito, makaka-access dito sa larong to. Hindi lahat ng phone na, actually. Hindi lahat ng phone applicable dito na. So, may mga limited
Contacts.
phones lang din na makakalaro na ito. And then may mga phones talaga na hindi gagana yung procedure na tinuro natin. So, ayun lang guys. Sana nakakulang ko tutorial na to. Ayan. Good afternoon and stay safe, Rich.